Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video I'm gonna share with you amazing and wonderful face mask with only two ingredients, hibiscus and aloe vera gel. You will get a shiny and glowing skin naturally at home with simple ingredients. I hope that you will try this and you will see the results yourself. Just amazing. The hibiscus flower is not only stunning to look at, but when used on the skin, it can give you a bright and radiant complexion. This tropical plant is one of the most effective ingredients for maintaining healthy skin. All thanks to its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Clearly, it contains nearly all of the ingredients required to keep your skin happy and glowing. It contains naturally occurring acids, which help to purify your skin by breaking down dead skin and increasing cell turnover. They can even help to control acne breakouts, has astringent and anti-inflammatory properties that help treat redness and inflammation from eczema and other skin conditions. Increases skin elasticity to give a stunning natural youth boost. Actively combat the aging process by firming and lifting your skin, and is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are proven to help fight skin-damaging free radicals. Aloe vera has magical benefits for our skin. It helps to rejuvenate dull and lifeless skin and restore soft, supple and glowing skin with a regular use. The best thing is that aloe vera does its job without clogging pores, hence can be used safely even on the sensitive skin. The stringent benefits of aloe vera help to close large pores and smoothens our skin. It also minimizes the chance of breakouts by drawing out the impurities from the skin pores. Also, the stringent nature of aloe vera helps with skin tightening and lifts saggy skin. Aloe vera works great to give us acne-free skin. It comes with natural antibacterial as well as antimicrobial benefits that help with acne control. And aloe vera has anti-aging benefits for our skin. Well, let's get started. All we need here is 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Take 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder in a bowl and about 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel to it. Mix all the ingredients together and apply it over your face and neck. Massage for about 3 minutes in circular motion. And leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off using fresh water and repeat the process twice or thrice in a week. And don't forget to clean your face before applying any face mask or scrub to open pores. And that's it, so easy. And the results just amazing. Just try it. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.